First, the top news headlines. Monsoon session of Manipur Assembly from August 26th. G. Ingobi Chingtham embarks on bicycle ride to 7 countries. And driver hurt as 2 trucks fall into river after landslide on National Highway 37. Hello and good evening. I'm ONEL Sambandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today chaired an emergency meeting of the State Cabinet at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Imphal. The meeting decided to hold the State Assembly monsoon session from August 26 to 27 after seeking consent of the Governor. Unlike the recent Cabinet meetings, all ministers attended today's Cabinet meeting, which was convened ahead of the monsoon session of the State Assembly, which was expected to be held in early part of current month. Some ministers had earlier skipped cabinet meetings on several occasions because of internal feud within the BJP-led coalition government headed by N. Biren. It may be noted that 2 groups of ministers and MLAs were on bad terms for weeks and were separately camping in New Delhi in their efforts to lobby the central leadership. One group was attempting to replace Chief Minister N. Biren. Several quarters had expressed that the brewing political uncertainty was stalling development in the state. Against the backdrop of the political crisis, the central leadership had advised the 2 dividing groups to end the deadlock and ensure a stable government. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam stated that in order to do something unique, one has to be courageous, hardworking, fit and possess talents. He was talking to newsmen on the sidelines of a function at Kangla Gate, Imphal to flag off Manipur cyclist G. Ingobi Chingtham, who has embarked on a lone cycle tour to Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia and Singapore. During the flag-off ceremony, the World Tour Phase 1 by cyclist G. Ingobi Chingtham, Minister Karam Shyam also said that this will not only expose Manipur to the rest of the world, but will also script history. He wished a safe journey to the cyclist.
Top pasakta amada thabak toraiba naharol singbo tungi hena phaba mathauna leiba naharol sing tholk nana bo honabada Manipur gi praja singna adi mating pangbisi aduga loina nama around 20 days mo akoi Manipur gi adi leiriba town singi karigi mayam ama adi ma salom gadori malemda saktak na honariba kui naharol singbo matam chupada Manipur Sarkar gi tarap tagi adi pungning thogat kani haibo wafam si thamjaraga.
G. Ingobi said that the tour will carry the message of unity and urge everyone to be a part of his journey.
Ima kaithel khudingmak haitare makoi singsigi matangda malem sinma thungna sak khanghan lage haina igi chatkadoba khongsa asida ima kaithel jibu kholauje pujaraga pictribida lairiba mipung khudingmak pukse amatangni nusi chanana laimina sabagi wakhalonda sigumba release chachaban.
2 trucks reportedly skidded off the road and fell into Barak River after a major landslide occurred in between Nungba and Renpang along Imphal-Jiribam Highway today. The 100-meter wide landslide has obstructed traffic along the landslide-prone National Highway number 37. 7 minor landslides were also reported along the highway stretch from Barak Bridge to Nung Dalan. 1 truck driver was injured in the mishap, who was rushed to Jiribam Hospital. The Dolaithabi Barrage project remains inoperable and unattended since its inauguration. A team of Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee inspected the project today. Committee spokesperson Ann Dijan accused the government of neglecting the project and prolonging the completion work. It was found out during the inspection that the right canal of the barrage was not functioning, as the tunnel leading to Ising Tenbi, which flows to Yumnam Palo Maning Ching, was found out of proportion. The barrage supplies water to only a 5-kilometer distance, hence the people of the neighboring village have not been getting any benefits from the barrage, Dizen said. He also said the part of the canal has developed cracks near Sambai Awang Lekai.
Menai kenin chali basi Sinam Junam Kuno Sambai Chingku adagi Kundrakpam aduga Waiton tagadab sida ayamba amaru mayamamadi ekoi suk chem lebak sudon thondri balebak sungtok tok de jaga su yauri aduga semi ba turel ma kongbu turel lalaga sakadaba thongdu jus hoji sagak tadana kaidana ising puba yabagi lambi leitre asida sunatana ate ate mayamama leiriba ahoba kedosi ekoi bujiki matam sida hoji panbiri balenga athuma dumri lakpiduni yengbi yengsin biraga masigi kairiba toiriba yadriba mayamsi semjan biraga Dolaithabi barrage ki kanabadu main right kenen da leiba praja singda phangan biu haibasi ekoi media ki thongda
Retired Lieutenant General L. Nishikanta Singh has been appointed as the new chairman of Manipur Public Service Commission, MPSC. The announcement was made by Chief Secretary of Manipur, Dr. Suhail Akhtar. Students of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, staged a sit-in protest in front of the school gate, demanding justice for baby Sana, who died allegedly by committing suicide inside the school boarding on July 18 last. Justice for baby Sana and make education a free zone reads some of the placards held by the demonstrators. Segu Hida, a student who was taking part in the protest, urged the authorities to uncover the fact and circumstances surrounding the death of the 13-year-old girl who was a class 7 student of the school. General Secretary of Kangleipak Students Association KSA Seram Hamjit has raised deep concern over apparent commercialization of schools by the state government. He urged every concerned officials of council to quit job for allegedly violating rules and regulations. Hamjit said this while talking to media at KSA office Imphal. Further, he condemned the related departments for granting recognition to Chingtham Innovative Educational School Yaripok without any prior investigation. Hamjit urged all concerned authorities to look into the matter.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯎꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯂꯂꯣꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯎꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯎꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕ ꯔꯦꯒꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯒꯤ ꯐꯝ ꯄꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯆꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯖꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯐꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯏꯁꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
Now let's take a short break, but coming up, blood donation camp held at Janims. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup, body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Jongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. Rotary Club Polo City Imphal today conducted a one-day blood donation camp on the theme Service Over Self at Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Janims, Porompat. Today's event was held as a part of Rotary Club's monthly blood donation campaign. Over 30 volunteers donated blood. Rotary Club Polo City Imphal President Haubam Dinesh said that such blood donation camps will be conducted in future as well.
Membership mayam kano tawga organize to journey tha kuding kano tawba aduga akoi mayam project mayam su tawjai mamang tha da tree plantation project daidi si su blood donation camp si su akoi gi tha gi project gi manung chanba ama oina tawjabani.
A one-day free Ayush health camp was held at Molvaipai, Churachandpur district in connection with Public Health Outreach Activity PHOA of National Ayush Mission today. The camp was organized by Directorate of Ayush, Lamfelpat, State Ayush Society, Manipur and Bethesda College of Nursing, Churachandpur. A team of Ayush Dr. S. Bishwanath Sharma, Dr. Ngaimon Kim, Dr. P. Iboton, Dr. T. Gonmei, Dr. L. Suresh Sharma and other paramedical and supporting staffs examined around 250 patients and they were given free medicines. A 7-day-long 42nd National Cultural Festival cum Camp Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat wrap up today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Addressing the closing day of the event, Vice President of JNMDA Professor H. Tomby underscored the importance of promoting culture for the development of a nation. He added it is necessary to conduct such type of event across the country. Cassettes of award-winning documentary film titled My Name is EO, produced by Center of Cultural Resources and Training CCRT were released and certificates were also distributed to young scholars and artists.
Philosophy and then the aesthetics and principles and significance of our culture and to the people properly. So that's why once we take up this program for this culture, for the research and studies about our culture, I'm sure that we'll have a very important culture which we can give the identity of Manipur very clearly to the whole world.
The Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891 Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur organized a press meet at Aquam Loop office Imphal today. President and women members of the committee also attended the meet. Organization Chairman H. Ibotombi Kuman said the organization will observe Patriots Day on August 13 at Manipur Press Club. He urged the public and every social organizations of the state to join them in paying homage to Thangal General Bir Tikendrajit Charai Thangal Pukhamba Kajau Pigang Niranjan Singh Chatri Subedar and others who were tried and exiled to Andaman and Nicobar Island by the British.
Lamhamadu Legate Batobasing, Amazon Jala Cross, Andaman Nicobar Tajiba, Kambusing, Adugish, Kulamangsi Yauna, Makoya Pena Kamba Makedi, Makoy Manungi Museum, Pau Pijaraga, Makoya Paudam, Nation Batu, Puto Aga, Hyper, Makoy Function Nasida, Makoy Mafam Dakalaka Ambassador, Makoy Gava, Paudam Madasoko, Pihanja Gana, Shana Kanjabani, Asugumba, Pantoka Chagadoba, Asugumba, Petros de Geta Masida, Manipudella Bidiba, Sakamba, we share so Kambusing, Aduka Mayaba, Shijaba, Kudimanga, Saruya Biraga, Sugunaba, Saruya Bua.
The banned KCP Military Joint Committee today celebrated its 5th Raising Day. The outfit presented gifts and offered meals to the inmates of several orphanage homes and old age homes to mark the occasion. The Raising Day celebration was held at the outfit's headquarters and other parts of Manipur, a statement released to the media by KCP Military Joint Committee informed. All Manipur Students Organization AMSU Yaripok branch organized a tree plantation program during which various saplings were planted at several schools in Yaripok in Thawal district. The program was organized ahead of AMSU's Foundation Day. President of AMSU, Yaripok branch, Sanjam Ronaldo said a month-long tree plantation program will be carried out at various places to mark the 54th Foundation Day of AMSU, which will be observed on August 28th. Sinam Bijoy Memorial Award Distribution Ceremony, jointly organized by Jiribam Higher Secondary School, JHSS, and Sinam Sundarlal Singh, son of late S. Bijoy Singh, was held at JHSS Auditorium Hall, Jiribam today. JDO Jiribam L. Roshan Maitei, Principal of JHSS L. Ranjit Kumar Singh, Principal of R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya S. Maniton, S. Sundarlal Singh, Sinam Ongbi Manilaima Devi, Proprietor of KBS Brickfill Kaisham Binod Kumar Singh, Professor of RIMS Imphal Y. Indibor Singh attended the program. S. Sundarlal Singh during the event said 3 class 12 meritorious students of Jiribam Government School in Science, Commerce and Arts stream who secured above 50% mark will be awarded from this year's in memory of the late father. A cash prize of Rs 10,000, Rs 5,000 and Rs 3,000 along with certificates were awarded to meritorious students securing first, second and third positions in Arts and Science stream. The Memorial Award ceremony aims to boost the morale of students. It may be mentioned that late Sinam Bijoy Singh was born at Dibong Makhalekai, Jiribam. A teacher by profession, Singh was appointed to represent the people of Jiribam in framing Manipur Constitution after Manipur got independence in 1947 from the British. He played a key role in the development of Jiribam by setting up of SDO SDC office, Jiri Police Station, Primary Health Center, construction of JT Road, setting up of 1 higher secondary school, 3 high school, Jiribam rail line and so on. Well, let's take another short break, but we have Thawan Itamba, a traditional blessing-seeking ritual performed for welfare of good governance of the land. More after the break.
Manipur da ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom ki leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi ho adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haiba gi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission tobibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leijaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc Rs 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation Rs 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees Rs 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation Rs 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc Class 12 pass, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singgi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. Traditional ritual of Thawan Itamba was performed today at Loktak Thambankong. The event was jointly organized by Inat Yokhatpa Apunba Malem, Layam Kangleipak, along with several like-minded individuals of Thanga. MLA of Thanga constituency T. Robindro, members of Jila Parisad Thanga and locals of Thanga took part in the ritual. Addressing the event, President of Layam Kangleipak, Moirang Meghachandra, gave an insight of the ritual that aims to seek blessings from the deity for welfare and good governance of the land. Performance of traditional dance, music and offering of fish to Lokta goddess were the main highlights of the program.
adu matam sana lepur matung dagi koi ju wari lairik tajaraga sigum ji thikacharaga koina mamangi jahi dagi thoromje koi pangthok tena lakjabani masina koi gi khunai asigi koi kanglaipa asigi langi ba kholi ba koi tangdu leita driba kaino se porpang ngamba oisanu haidana taibang mapugi mapumda koina thongni jab
Yashkul Kendra entered semi-final beating Khundrakpam Kendra by 15-14 in above 50 and 60 years old second Oinam Charlie Memorial League cum knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournament 2019 held at Singzamai Kangsang. Oinam Kendra and Sagolban Kendra will play the third quarter-final tomorrow. 13 teams are participating in the tournament organized by Singzamai Kang Hut from July 14 under the sponsorship of Oinam Romance family. 7th annual function for Reformation and Renovation Day of Incarnation of Aphau Chingu was observed by Apahau Huimayol Huipaba Huitaba Lub AHHHL Kairen Phabi today. The observance was attended by titular King of Manipur Lesemba Sanajoba, MLA of Thanga constituency T. Robindro and several other well-known personalities. Offering prayers and performing rituals were the main highlights of the observance.
yamna aikogi nuksinaba adugumba yam ingchikwa adugumba male mama akona uruksi hairagadi ase apa hauna ambit sandoiba aikogi niyoba kunai adugo leimene ba thoi pa no kunamba adugo leiba kunamba se ama toibagi nuksinabagi nikunladuna aikogi kunlaga aige sumba lambi aige sumba adugumba aikogi thabak thoram thawadu mai hunjalaga aikogi thawsu adugo male mase nungaiba shanti leiba ingchikwa adugo male mama aikogi semu haibagi wakaloni ba se audokta koi tabang mu besina koi tabum thokpa leiba koi thawdang sing si koi tunguinarakpa koi na thawsanaktabudagi koi masenga marakta nusinadaba koi apikpa wakal koi sai ojotagi wakalna mangoinarkanda si koi kalu masen nusinadaba santi nam tholopasi tholoktanaba haidana sai isogi koi apaugi paujensin haribasi koi mayamsi amata koi me.
The Jammu and Kashmir government has issued an advisory to the Amarnath Yatra pilgrims to curtail their pilgrimage and move out of the state at the earliest possible. The government has requested the Indian Air Force to airlift the pilgrims out of the Kashmir Valley to places such as Jammu, Pathankot or Delhi from where they can go back home. The C-17s are already operating to rush in paramilitary troops from different parts of the country for precautionary deployment in the valley. The steps have been taken in view of attempts made by Pakistan-based terrorist groups including the Jaish-e-Mohammed to carry out strikes against the pilgrims and security forces deployed in the state. The government's decision to curtail the ongoing Amarnath Yatra in Jammu and Kashmir came after a series of intelligence inputs were received by security agencies warning of multiple terror attacks by Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed. Football body CONMEBOL suspended Lionel Messi from international matches with Argentina for 3 months because of accusations of corruption he met at Copa America 2019. The South American body also said that it fined the player in $50,000 for his comments after Argentina's 2-1 win against Chile in the third place playoff of the tournament in July last. The 32-year-old will not play for Argentina matches in September against Chile and Mexico, plus another 2 in October versus Germany and another adversary to be picked up. Messi is already suspended from the first match of the South American World Cup qualifiers next March because of the apparently undeserved red card he received against Chile. Now let's move on to the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Arrest passes UAPA bill. Government can now declare an individual a terrorist. MSSA launches cease work strike. Hope new governor finds early solution to Naga issue, says Rayo. Mathematica workshop. 11 JE cases confirmed in Thobar. The People's Chronicle. Resolving Naga issue, my life's mission, says Rabi. Posers raised over police search at Baby Sana's grave. No NSU job interview in Delhi, insists Desam. Cookie chips plate failure to nab chips killer. Imphal Free Press. MCPCR chairperson charge-seated in JNB Mao sexual assault case. Jennings Assistant Professor, Senior Resident and Associate Professors Committee begins mass schedule leave, warns of indefinite strike. Last formal talks with Government of India did not go down well, says NSCN-IM. Johnstone students shut down school indefinitely. Sit-in stage against slandering St. Joseph School principal. The Morning Bell. Legislations hampering stocking of food grain for NFSA, other government schemes. St. Joseph Higher Secondary School principal pleads innocence, offers to leave state if charges are proven. Lamlai HSS to sleep at school until teachers are posted. Contraband drugs worth about Rs 41.6 lakh seized. Horticulture and agri-biotech colleges open in the state.
And before we wind up the top news headlines once again. Monsoon session of Manipur Assembly from August 26th. G. Ingobi Chingtham embarks on bicycle ride to 7 countries. And driver hurt as 2 trucks fall into river after landslide on National Highway 37. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.